is yoga good? Does anybody know?
To get flexible.
You can get flexible. What else? We practice yoga to help calm our bodies and to get strong, to get flexible, to have fun. But has anybody ever experienced a little bit of nervousness or anxious or stressed? Mia, you raised your hand. What makes you anxious or stressed?
Probably when I'm talking to a lot of people.
That gets you stressed or gets you a little nervous?
Yeah.
Miss Emmy feels that too, just so you know. We all have those feelings. Every human being has those feelings of getting anxious or nervous or scared or worried. And those are normal feelings. But when we feel that way, we have a hard time thinking straight. So it's important for us to learn how to calm our bodies. From here, lower out through the mouth, cat pose. Take a deep breath in, look up. And a deep breath out, puff up the back, cat pose. Nice. Nice job. To find me a toothbrush and a spoon. Go. Using our imagination, and it's so good for problem solving. Yeah. N-A.